Hey everyone, it's the Makeup Jeannie here. I have some exciting news for y'all out there. My summer skincare and makeup giveaway is reopened. Go ahead and make a comment on this video, like this video, and you have to be a subscriber, and I will check. The comment picker had picked a winner, but unfortunately it was partly, I think, I feel guilty because I don't know that I actually said that it was US only. If you watch my other video tonight, I look terrible now. I can't afford. I checked the shipping to Victoria, Australia, and it was gonna be like $148, right around $150 for me to ship. But the winner was kind and said, I forgot to tell you that I lived here. If it's not international, they apologize. They had no reason to apologize. It wasn't their fault, but they did tell me to go ahead and choose a new winner. So go ahead and start commenting, and you can tell me whatever you want, good or bad. It's not been a great couple of weeks for me. I kind of went into it in the makeup tutorial for the makeup that I'm wearing. I've broke down several times today and bawled my eyes out. I'm all swollen, puffy, just everything. But anyway, so yes, so the summer skincare makeup is open. So please subscribe, like the video, comment below if you'd like to be entered, and again, it is US only.